Hi everybody, welcome to People Science Academy. Okay, today we're gonna do about quantitative. 이거는 quantitative는 뭐냐면은 comparative, comparative. 이거는 quantitative는 뭘 비교하는 거예요. 어느 게 더 크냐. quantitative, comparison test. Most tricky thing is, you see the number line right there. This location is 0, this one is 1, and more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this 0 right there, this location, and the minus between minus 0.1, minus 0.2, minus 0.9, minus 1 right there, and minus 2, 3, 4, 5. So this range is A over there. Between 0 and 1, this is a B area, and between minus 1 and 0 is a C area, C range. Also minus 1, less than minus a D range. Every time in the SAT test, which one is a bigger value, then you have to think about it, where is the numbers at, or this, or this area, or this range, between this range, or between this. That means a tricky thing is right there. Number is 1 right there. Number is 1, or between 0 and 1, or number is 0 and minus 1, or number is right there, minus 1, or number is less than minus 1. You have to think about it in several ways. Unless they don't say anything, that means this case we say no restriction in this case. Okay, so think about this. They say A is bigger than B, B is bigger than C, C is bigger than D. So A times B is bigger than C, and C times D. So because they don't have any restriction in there, you have to think about it. So A, case A, that means more more than plus 1. This case, yes, because A is 100, B is 10, B is 50, C is 10, D is 5. At the case, yes. This case, yes. But problem is B, the range B is between 0 and 1. You can pick A is 1.5, B is 1/3, C is 1/4, D is 1/5. That case, think about it. A times B. Oh yeah, this one. Yeah, this case, yes. Okay, this one A times B is 1/6 is greater than 1/20. Okay, how about C? Range of C right there between minus 1 and 0. That case, we're gonna use this condition. A is 1/-100, B is 1/1000, minus 1/100, C is 1/10, D is minus 1. Okay, that case, this times this is not greater than this. This number is bigger because 1/100 times 1/10 times is 1/10, but this one is 1/10 to 5th power. So this side is bigger. That case, so we cannot say yes. How about D? This area number is less than minus 1. For example, A is minus 2, B is minus 3, C is minus 4, D is minus 5. Okay, A times B is minus 6, right? How about C times D? No, this times this is 6. This times this, C times D is minus 20. So this part is bigger. So we cannot say this is bigger. So once you're asking this kind of things, you cannot find no answer in this case. Okay. Another trick, everything is the same. Making sure this is a comparison test, which one is bigger, then you have to think about, this condition, bigger than A, or less, between 0 and 1, or between -1 and 0, and less than -1, or you have to think about it, number is 1, or number is 0, number is -1, okay? That case, all several cases you have to, think about it. How about this one? This one is A is greater than 0, positive number. So root x is greater than x. Okay. So we don't use this part at all because they say x is greater positive. So how about but they didn't mention it x is 1, right? That's why we're gonna plug in 1 there, 1 there. They are same. How about this one? Between this? No, probably this is bigger. How about this area? Yeah, this x is bigger. So you cannot make a decision. Okay? Same idea. Also, tricky thing is this. Okay. This is number line. 0 in there, 1 in there, more than 1. Okay, greater than 1. So, this case, some number A and B is between 0 and 1. That case, I'm going to pick example right there. A is 1.5 is greater than 1/3, right? How about reciprocal? Reciprocal is that's 2 over 1. This is 1/3, right? 3 over 1. So once you see some number between this range, you make a reciprocal, then this sign will be changed. Was this? Now this. Once you reciprocal, upside down. Same as, okay, any number greater than 1, so I pick A is 4, B is, A is 5, B is 4. So 5 is bigger than this. So this one, we're gonna make a, reciprocal. So this is gonna be 1 over 5, this is 1 over 4. That's why sign change. So that case, in general, any number doesn't matter over in a range. A is greater than B, then reciprocal is A is the same as 1 over A, B is the same over B over 1. Reciprocal, 1 over A, 1 over B. Then you have to change the sign too. Okay, you have to change the sign too. Okay, I think you are sure about it. Practice, do it by yourself. Then you will find out, you have to change the sign right there. Okay, third question is, this is very, very good, example. It's good for you. Very, you make a good improvement for your math skill. Okay, x is between 1 and 4. They say pi x and x squared. Which one is bigger? So, we can guess, okay, we say, okay, we assume it's same. Okay, so this value and this value is the same. So, that case, x squared minus pi x is 0. Right? We're going to move over there. If they are same, they have the same value, we're going to move this side, make an equation 0, right? Because they are same. So we're going to solve in this one. So common factor is x, pull out the x. So x times x minus pi equals 0, right? So x is 0, x is pi. But this one doesn't meet the condition right there. Okay, x is greater than 1, so we cannot use this one. But how about x is pi? Yeah, between this, so it works. Okay, this case, yes, probably they are possible or they are equal. How about second case? We assume it also. Maybe this is bigger, this value is bigger than this. That's why we're gonna minus this one. That case, x squared minus pi x is greater than 0. Okay. So we're gonna solve this one. condition is, initial condition is x is between 1 and 4. So we're going to use this area from condition. Once you solve this one, x is less than 0, x is greater than pi, right? So both common area, common answer is between pi and 4. So also possible. So you say, okay, that means this is greater than this. Okay, how about you say, oh yeah, probably this one is less than this. Okay, third case. So we're gonna, this one minus pi x should be negative, right? So just like the same as, okay, from initial condition x is 1 and 4. Once you solve this, x should be greater than 0 and less than pi, correct? So common area is this. That's possible. So all case is possible. So you cannot say yes or no. So no answer. This is a good example. Practice this. We're gonna use this case. Why they asking you to solve this? Probably once you go to the college, that is a part of calculus problem and a physics problem. So you have to be sure about this one. You are not sure about the inequality in the equation. It's already posted in Peter Science Academy. So you can say inequality 한국말은 부등식 피터 사이언스 아카데미 이거 설명이 다시 있어요. 그러니까 그거 just revisit it slowly, make sure understand fully. Okay. We're gonna do vocabulary. Indenture, indent, and dent. 이거는 어디서 나온 말이냐면 여러분이 치과 의사를 덴티스트라고 그래요. 왜냐면 이를 보면 모양이 이렇게 울퉁불퉁하게 되죠, 이가. 그래서 이 덴티스트는 울퉁불퉁하다 이렇게 되는 걸 덴트라고 그래요. 그럼 인덴처 그러면 뭐냐 하면은 여러분이 노트라이즈 스탬프 꽉 찍으면 이렇게 서피스가 울퉁불퉁하죠. 인덴처, 인덴트 그러는 거예요. 이 덴트 뜻을 알면 이거를 갖다 you can guess. wander는 wind에서 나온 말이에요. wind. 그래서 바람처럼 이렇게 막 이렇게 돌아다닌다 그래서 wander 하면 배회하다, 한국말은 배회하다 그런 뜻이에요. 이거랑 비슷한 말이 vagrant, vagabond. 배가 다 똑같습니다. beggar. wander의 뜻은 wind에서 나온 거 배회하다 그런 뜻입니다. 오케이, tutorage는 이건 그냥 써봤어요. 이거 tutor에서 나온 말이에요. tutor는 tutor. 그래서 guardian, 코칭, 이 코칭 한다는 거, 코치, guardian 한다는 거, 코치한다 그런 말이 tutorage, tutor, 가정교사 tutor 할 때 거기서 나온 말입니다. misgiving은 외우셔야 될 게 sorrow 그런 뜻이에요. 오케이.